So in this video, you'll learn how to reset your network settings on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So simply open the Settings app, then you want to scroll and select General Management. Next, look for Reset and tap on it. And you should see your network settings split into two categories. You have Reset Mobile Network Settings and Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. So all you need to do is decide which one you're going to be using when it comes to doing the reset. So if you want to reset your network settings, just tap on it like that. Select Reset Settings. Confirm by entering in your current PIN, password or pattern. Select Reset and your network settings will be taken back to their default optimum. Again, if you want to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, just tap on them like that. Select Reset Settings and they'll be taken back to their default, which means disconnecting from any Wi-Fi networks, any Bluetooth devices, all sorts of things will be forgotten. So if you want to reconnect, you'll have to go through that whole process again. And so that's how you can reset your network settings on your Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.